Hello everyone, welcome back. In Python, different kinds of data are called data types. We are going to review them in 1 minute. So the three most common types are strings, integers, and floats. And Python automatically figures out the type based on the value. So here we are having a string assigned to a variable called name using the equal sign. So we are printing also the string here that is called name. So we see them here in Python. We are having the name equals Python because Python was assigned to the name variable, and we are printing it here. And we use the type function to understand the type of our variable. So you see that str means string. Then we are having the integer. So number 10 is assigned to age. Age is being printed and its type is integer that is shown here. Then we are having the float. This number is assigned to the version variable. It is printed and its type is float, as you see here. So the type function tells us what kind of data each variable holds. Thank you for watching.